The DBT9, 1,750 pound payload, 9 cubic foot capacity. No more pushing a wheelbarrow, it's a power barrel. And with tracks, it's all terrain, all conditions. I'm using the BR1570. It's part of a complete line of reversible vibratory plate compactors from Bartell Global. Everything from 11,000 pound to 3,500 pound centrifugal force rating, giving you the best price, including the polymer pad and the wheel kit, and the best productivity. Same speed, forward and reverse. My goal, get the G2 Rapid Set OSHA compliant polymeric sand in the joints that spreads the loads via shear transfer and prevents point loading. That's unit to unit contact. That's even important with cuts, making sure that you have a 1/16 to 3/16 inch joint spacing, which can be checked with a putty knife. That gives interlocking pavements their flexibility that makes them so durable. In order to protect the surface, I'll get 1/4 inch plywood, 2 pieces, and I'll run my plate compactor over them. Thicker if I'm laying plank stones or slabs. Then I'll play leapfrog. I can use remnant carpet from a local flooring or big box store. Or I can use the supplied polymer pad, mount it front and back because it's reversible. Remember the handle mounted throttle. We're not compacting, we're only consolidating the joint fill to the bottom of the chamfer or bevel on the paving stone.